Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to use your Android phone as a microphone for PC. Gather 3 things before you begin: an Android mic app, a desktop driver, and a USB cable if you want wired audio. Enable USB debugging in developer options when using a cable. Alternatively, connect both devices to the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network for wireless audio. Expect lower latency over USB and slightly higher latency over Wi-Fi. Install a virtual audio cable or voice meter on Windows to route sound into apps. First, enable USB debugging in Android developer options and authorize your PC. Install the chosen Android mic app from the Play Store plus its Windows driver. Connect the phone to PC with a good quality USB cable and confirm the app shows a connected status. Start the desktop helper or driver and choose the phone as an audio source. In Windows sound settings, set the virtual audio cable or driver as the default microphone device. Open your recording or streaming app and select that device as your input. For wireless use, connect phone and PC to the same router on 4 GHz for stability. Open the mic app and enable Wi-Fi streaming mode, noting the IP or pairing code. Start the desktop receiver and enter the code or IP to pair the devices. Reduce latency by lowering buffer size or choosing 1 kHz sample rate in app settings. Test input levels and enable noise suppression if available. Mute notifications. Keep the phone plugged in, and consider using USB if you need near zero latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.